Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Chantal, and today's video, as you can tell by the title, is not a hair video. I normally do share natural hair stuff, but I kind of wanted to take a break from that and share some different types of videos with you guys. So this video is going to be what I eat in a day, and I also decided to include my workout that day, completely unplanned, and I didn't do a meal prep or anything like that. I literally just woke up that day and I was like, I'm in the mood for this, so I might as well record it. So here it is, what I eat in a day realistically, and my workout for that day. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the crew, and I will see you at the end of the video. So I decided to make some steel cut oatmeal for breakfast, and this normally takes anywhere from 20 to 25 minutes to make, so I just get it started, put it on, and then I do the rest of my morning routine. Usually around this time of the morning, my sister's dog Sophie comes into my room, and she likes to come in and say good morning in her own little special way by begging you to scratch her head or scratch her back, you know, like typical dog stuff. That's what they love. They love affection. They love for you to like scratch them, and that's just how she is. She's like 8 years old, so she's kind of getting up there in age, but she still acts like a puppy sometimes, especially when she does stuff like this. It's just so cute, and I really enjoy this part of the morning because it's just a nice way to wake up, and it's really relaxing for myself too, just to like keep my mind low stress and to be really calm. So back to my oatmeal. After about 20 minutes, it's ready to go, and I'm gonna add some various things to it. I'm adding some vanilla almond milk to give it a little bit of flavor. Probably added too much. And I'm also gonna add some cinnamon because I like the spiciness, and some hemp seeds for extra protein. And I decided to also add some coconut oil for some extra fats, and some maple syrup for sweetness because I do have a sweet tooth and I love that stuff. And I'm also adding a banana because it just puts a little bit more fiber and carbs in it. I like to eat a high carb breakfast. And Sophie is back. Anytime somebody opens a banana, she comes running, and this is her way of begging and being really, really focused on getting food. So I just decided to give her a piece of the banana because I felt sorry for her. She was just begging so much. So that's her treat for the morning, is a piece of a banana. Just such a beggar. And after I'm done eating my oatmeal, I decided to make some green tea. It helps me wake up. Since I don't drink coffee, it's like my dose of caffeine. I usually drink 1 cup a day just because I like how it makes me feel really energized. And now I'm on to foam rolling because I do plan to work out today. So I'm just foam rolling my legs because I did a leg day recently and I was feeling a little bit sore. So I try to take out some time before I go to the gym to do this and to do some stretching as well. I just find that it helps me to warm up a little bit. It helps to get my muscles to feel less sore and helps me move a lot better at the gym. This foam roller, it has those little balls, those little nubs on it, but it feels really good. So after my warm-up, I'm gonna grab my stuff, put it in my bag, and head out the door. Doing a little mirror check. So on my way out, I ran into this random cat. I have no idea who this cat belongs to, but it was just in the hallway. So yeah, there's a cat. Hello, cat. Goodbye, cat. Very random. It was really, really beautiful this day. Sun was out. Made it to the gym, and I decided to start with some pull-ups because I wanted to see where my strength was at, and I'm really happy I managed to do 2 solid pull-ups. The last one was a little bit weak, but I still tried, and I liked that I was able to do those first 2. So otherwise for my workout, I basically just focused on doing some push and pull exercises to really focus on my upper body. But overall, when I go to the gym, I try to hit as many muscle groups as I can, so do some type of a full body circuit. But for this day, I focused on mostly upper body with a couple of different exercises for like my legs and my back. So that way I just find I'm more productive if I'm having multiple exercises that will work multiple different muscles. So I'm just doing a little bit of everything for this workout. Comment below if you guys prefer like body weight exercises or if you prefer weighted exercises. I like to do a little bit of both. I'm not really at a place where I'm like pushing my body too hard at the gym these days. I'm just kind of maintaining right now, and I haven't really changed my goals or set any new goals for a while now, but that's something that I'll probably think about closer to the new year. So I just wanted to finish off with some lunges. No idea why I picked up these heavy weights. I was definitely feeling tired at this point, but I decided I wanted to do something a little bit heavier, so that's why I'm carrying 50 pounds right now. And yeah, at this point I had been at the gym for about 45 minutes maybe. Heading home from the gym, and yeah, it was a really beautiful day that day. You can't tell by my face. I look annoyed. I don't know why. But I was happy, I promise. As always, Sophie is there to say hello. Anytime somebody comes in, she's always running to the door, so this was no exception. She's always really happy when people come home. I'm making an egg sandwich, and I'm using rye bread and avocado. And this is one of my favorite things to make after the gym. It's just really easy, really filling, and you know, it has all the good stuff, you know, fats, carbs. I put some cheese on there, added some barbecue sauce. It doesn't look super appetizing, don't judge me. It tasted great. Now I'm at work and I'm eating a tangerine and a chicken patty. So kind of random, but I just grabbed these on my way out the door, so I'm just eating a little bit and obviously hydrating, drinking lots of water. I think I ended up drinking 2 liters that day, 2 of those bottles in total. And another banana. Like I said, I love bananas. I usually end up eating at least 1 or 2 bananas a day. They're just really tasty. I was really into this banana. It was really good. As you can see, I was really into it. My favorite thing I ate that day was chicken tacos. These tacos I love. It's this place, I think it's called Fat Bastard Burrito. I've made a habit out of getting these tacos. Alright, so that is pretty much what I ate that day. Kind of a boring day, nothing exciting. My favorite part of eating that day was definitely the tacos. yeah, like I said, didn't plan it out. As you can see at the end, I was eating those tacos. That was the last thing I ate for the day. After that, I didn't feel hungry anymore, so I didn't eat anything else that day. So that was a complete look at everything I ate that day, completely unplanned. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.